Hello, today we're analyzing Costco stock. Costco stock is currently trading at $980.84 level. The current Relative Strength Index, RSI, for Costco QoS stands at 62.2, indicating a neutral condition in the market. This value is significant as it sits below the 70 threshold that traditionally signals an overbought scenario, suggesting that the stock is not currently overextended in its price movement. An RSI near 60 implies that there is still room for upward momentum. However, traders should remain cautious as the RSI approaches the overbought territory. The neutral RSI position indicates a balance between buying and selling pressure, which can lead to a consolidation phase or a potential breakout if momentum builds. While the RSI is not in an extreme state, it is essential to monitor this indicator closely as it approaches higher levels. An RSI that climbs above 70 could indicate that the stock is overbought and due for a pullback, while a drop below 30 would signal potential oversold conditions. Maintaining awareness of these levels is critical for making informed trading decisions. Currently, Costco's RSI suggests a healthy market condition, but investors must be vigilant to identify any shifts that may indicate changing market dynamics. Turning to the moving averages, the relationship between the current price of $980.84 and the short-term moving averages reveals important insights. The 5-day moving average stands at $981.86, indicating that the current price is slightly below this average, which may suggest a short-term bearish indicator. In contrast, the 10-day moving average at $980.74 is slightly below the current price, while the 20-day moving average at $975.68 is well below the current price, indicating a bullish trend over the medium to long term. The interplay between these averages suggests that while there may be short-term weakness, the longer-term trend remains positive. The trend direction is essential for identifying potential crossover signals that could indicate shifts in momentum. If the price breaks above the 5-day moving average, it could signal a bullish reversal in the short term. Alternatively, if the price continues to trend below the 5-day average, it may confirm a bearish bias in the immediate future. Overall, the moving averages paint a picture of a stock that is currently experiencing mixed signals, with short-term weakness juxtaposed against longer-term strength. The moving average convergence divergence, MACD indicator, shows that the MACD line is at 7.344, while the signal line is at 7.752. This positioning indicates a bearish crossover since the MACD line is below the signal line, which may suggest that bearish momentum is building. This divergence could signal a potential reversal in price if the trend continues. The MACD serves as a momentum indicator and can provide valuable insights into the strength of the current trend. Traders should pay attention to how these lines behave in the coming days, as a crossover back above the signal line would rejuvenate bullish sentiment. Momentum in the stock is crucial, and the current MACD positioning suggests a cautious approach. The bearish signal could lead to a short-term decline. However, if the MACD begins to converge positively, it could indicate a potential shift back to bullish momentum. Traders should remain alert to these signals, as they can provide critical insights into the stock's near-term direction. Bollinger Bands present an interesting perspective on Costco's price movement. The current price is positioned below the upper band, which is set at $988.89, with the middle band coinciding with the 20-day simple moving average at $975.68. The lower band is at $962.47. This positioning indicates that while the price is not at risk of becoming overbought, it is also not in a position of extreme volatility. The stock's price moving towards the upper band could suggest a potential squeeze, where volatility may increase, leading to a rapid price movement in either direction. The volatility indicated by the Bollinger Bands is currently classified as normal. This indicates that while there is potential for price movement, it is not currently experiencing the extremes that would suggest a powerful breakout or breakdown. Investors should monitor how the price interacts with the bands. A breakout above the upper band could signal a bullish run, while a drop below the lower band could indicate a bearish trend. Volume analysis reveals that Costco's current volume stands at 230,243 shares, which is slightly below its average volume of 237,097 shares, resulting in a volume ratio of 0.97x average. This below-average volume could suggest a lack of strong buying or selling pressure, indicating a potential consolidation phase. A volume decrease often accompanies price stagnation, and in this case, it may suggest that traders are waiting for a clearer signal before committing to larger positions. The relationship between volume and price is important to assess the strength of a trend. A significant price movement on higher volume generally confirms the strength of that movement. Conversely, if the price moves but volume remains low, it may indicate a lack of commitment from traders. Currently, the volume analysis indicates that while there may be some interest in cost, it is not robust enough to support a strong bullish or bearish trend. Support and resistance levels play a crucial role in identifying potential price action. The key support level is identified at $931.80, while resistance is set at $1029.80. The distance between these levels suggests that there is substantial room for movement, and traders should watch for price action around these key points. If the price approaches the support level, it could trigger buying interest, while a break below this level could lead to further declines. Conversely, if the price tests the resistance level, it could indicate a bullish breakout if sustained. The strength of these levels can also be gauged by the volume accompanying price action near these thresholds. A breakout above resistance on significant volume would confirm the bullish outlook, whereas a drop below support with high volume may signal a bearish trend. Monitoring these levels can provide valuable insights into market sentiment and potential price movements. In summary, several market scenarios could emerge for Costco. In a bullish scenario, a sustained breakout above resistance, supported by increased volume and a favorable MACD signal, could lead to an upward trend towards higher price targets. Conversely, in a bearish scenario, if the price fails to hold above the 5-day moving average and breaks below support, it could lead to a significant downturn. Risk management strategies such as setting stop-loss orders and monitoring market trends will be essential in navigating these scenarios. The current market environment for Costco presents both opportunities and risks. The neutral RSI, mixed moving averages, bearish MACD signal, normal volatility, and key support and resistance levels all contribute to a complex landscape. Investors should remain vigilant, continuously analyzing these technical indicators to make informed decisions. Keeping an eye on volume trends and price movements around critical levels will be essential in adapting to the evolving market dynamics. The outlook remains cautiously optimistic, but traders should prepare for potential volatility as the market continues to develop. Character count 8987. This analysis is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. For more content, please like and subscribe to our channel.